case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Florida Supreme Court was faced with a complex legal puzzle in 2014 involving the interpretation of a will in the case known as Aldrich versus Basile. The crux of the issue revolved around whether newly acquired property, not stipulated in the original will, should fall under the laws of intestate succession. Originally, Anne Aldrich penned a will that did not account for property she might acquire post-execution. The will, which included a handwritten addendum, ignited a familial dispute when her brother insisted on inheriting Aldrich's full property, while her nieces proposed the subsequently acquired property should be passed on according to the state's intestacy laws. This triggered a legal review of Florida Statutes Section 732.6005, challenging the court to decide whether the will encompassed the property Aldrich acquired following its creation. Aldrich had, in her will, handwritten a request directing her possessions to her sister. After her sister predeceased her, Aldrich inherited her sister's cash and land. However, Aldrich died without amending her will to include this newly acquired property, leading to the ensuing dispute over the property's rightful heir. Upon review, the court ruled that Aldrich's will did not dispose of the property she received after her sister's death. The absence of a residuary clause or general devises in her will indicated that it was not her intent to pass all her property to her named devised. Thus, Section 732.6005(1) of the Florida statutes only applied, requiring the testator's expressed intentions through the will to govern its disposition. The court firmly held that it could not rewrite or reconstruct a will based on its own interpretations of the testator's intent. Therefore, the property was to be distributed as per the explicit language of the will at the time of the testator's death. The decisions regarding equitable property distribution, the court noted, fell under the legislature's jurisdiction, which enacted the intestacy statute to handle such contingencies. This landmark decision solidified the principle that courts cannot reinterpret or modulate testamentary dispositions based on their perception of the deceased's wishes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.